Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. Deutzia is a great old-fashioned hardy shrub. This is Deutzia strawberry fields. It's got pink flowers, different shades of pink, almost crimson in parts as well. Flowers on arching branches in summer. Really gorgeous flowers. You see the close-up of the flower there. Height, realistically, you're talking about maybe 2 meters high, 2 meters across, but you can prune it less than that by thinning out the branches. It grows in any sort of reasonable soil. It's not at all fussy. It's adored by bees and pollinators and well worth planting. It takes a good bit of wind and weather as well. It's a reliable hardy shrub to grow. Now to plant Deutzia strawberry fields, is that a wonderful name? Decent sized planting, just to get a bit deeper than the pot. But super thrive planting fertiliser at the bottom, swell well compost and soil on top, and the same banking around. And this lovely Deutzia strawberry fields will be in your garden for years and years to come. Now it's just starting to show its flower buds now, starting to make them here ready to flower. So it's extra strong. You're going to get good sizes on these this year, and the colour is fantastic. So arching branches smothered in pink flowers in different shades of pink, almost hints of red through the flower. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.